Welcome to Captain Blackbeard's treasure chest, mate. So, have you had enough of everybody around you lost in a digital ocean of pixels and screens and televisions where they can't even look you in the eye without a fucking cell phone or a goddamn tablet attached to their arm? In my day, I would have taken a blade, chopped off his bloody arm and stuffed it down his face, stolen his wife and sailed away to paradise. Blackbeard always gets the woman, the gold, the treasure, in a pot of blood. Have you had enough of being the lesser man? Go to the gymnasium, lift some weights, eat some protein. Just do it, quit being a pussy. Charge your cars to the moon, get a Corvette and a motorcycle, and a bunch of fucking clothes. They say I'm a douchebag, but I got a dick. And you're a lucky bitch if you get laid. You get a piece of me. I'm the heat. That's right, you heard what I said. I got extra toxic masculinity to dump in them guts. I got an ammo dump full. Yeah! Oh, the new sense of manners, oh, we've got to listen to the one. Walk the plank, missy. Honeydew list, ball and chain. Have you had enough taking and shit from the woman you helped provide for? You gotta remind her who the breadwinner is. If you make more money, you, the captain of the boat, the king of the castle. That's the American way. Not all this emo, metrosexual, apologetic bullshit. We don't give a fuck about all that political correctness that can gun out the goddamn drain with the machine gun gully shredded into pieces. We are the underground. We are the pirates. We are society's dweller. We've got tattoos and switchblades, and wear leather, not this fashion bullshit. Stay in your lane, be a good boy, keep you sleep by 9, brush your teeth, go to school, listen to your mama. Don't go after that hot piece of ass you always wanted, be a pussy, watch CNN, vote for anybody but Trump. Yeah, that's right, be a fucking liberal. Be a retard! Trump 2020! There's just no contender.
worshiping the power of Satan for a nation so brave and so proud.
This has been a good time, drinking wine and counting plunder at Commodore Blackbeard's treasure chest. Welcome to the underground. Welcome